If you've been wondering how to improve your presentation skills on camera, then stay tuned to this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, we're going to talk about some ways that you can improve your presentation skills on camera. So look, I'm going to be honest with you. Being on camera is a bit like public speaking.
There wouldn't have been the
No one likes doing it, it's a skill to be learned, and it takes time and practice to learn it. So we're going to run through some tips and tricks that I've picked up that will help you with your on-camera presentation. So to start with, getting a better on-camera presentation actually starts before you even turn the camera on, and that's what my first two tips focus on, before shooting. So before you even turn the camera on, you need to actually plan your shoot. And that should be scalable depending on the type and size of shoot that you're doing. Now, you wouldn't go out to do a public speaking event without a plan, so why would you go on camera without a plan?
I thank you all and the citizens of this community for this.
And the plan doesn't need to be massive. For some short videos, like these, I just write down a series of dot points and talk around them, and that's adequate for this sort of project. For our clients' projects, we may write just simply a script that they would then deliver. And a full production would include a script and a shot plan so that we would actually list not only what they're going to say, but what we're going to see on camera as well. Once you've got your plan, then it's about getting in the right frame of mind and making sure that you have enough time. So make sure you've eaten, make sure you've got water nearby, and make sure you give yourself enough time to get this done. Trust me when I say these things usually take longer than you're expecting. It's easy to tell when there's something wrong on camera, and there's nothing worse than rushing. I think the thing that you have to have in the back of your head is the end product. You want the end product to look and feel right. It's representing your company. Now, during shooting, it is all about energy. They say the camera adds 10 pounds, and for me, that is not about physical weight.
Shut up, the camera adds 10 pounds.
So how many cameras are actually on you?
That is about emotional weight. So if you come across all shy, the camera will add to that shyness. But similarly, if you act confident and knowledgeable, the camera will add to that as well. With regards to presenting a script itself, make sure that you use your hands. It's far more engaging for the viewer if they've got something that illustrates your point. And put energy into your voice. If you mumble, then the viewer will just not be interested. Whereas if you pace yourself and you add interesting attenuation to your voice, then the viewer will be more interested in you. I mean, what would you rather watch? G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett and I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media. We deliver professional videos for businesses all over Perth. Or would you rather watch? G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media and we deliver professional videos for businesses all over Perth. So really there are two main focus areas for you to improve on if you want to improve your presentation skills on camera: planning and energy. As ever, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business. If you've got any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them, and I'll see you in the next video. Gingerbeard Media, get on beard.